In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create an assistant in Saski AI. I'm starting in the dashboard and I can click Create Assistant or Assistants on the sidebar to be taken to the assistant page to create an assistant. First, we have some basic information to fill in. I give my assistant a name and select the time zone. One thing to note, the time zone is important because it's going to help your assistant know how to greet the customers who are interacting with them, as well as it will help you with calendar setup later. And then the logo is not something that your customers will see, but this will help you identify your assistant and remember which one is for which business if you have created them for multiple things. And the description is to help you remember what this assistant is responsible for. And then the next step is selecting an instruction template. We have 4 pre-built instruction templates for the most commonly used agents, but you also can create your own with manual instructions from scratch. I'm going to select customer support agent since that's what I'm creating. This then opens a text editor that includes natural language instructions for this assistant. So it's telling the assistant what language it speaks, and how to greet the customer, things like that. You can edit this here to change anything that you don't need or to add anything that is not included already. And then we're going to go ahead and click proceed. Then next is selecting a knowledge base. I'm going to go ahead and select the knowledge base I already have created, but we will have a separate video that walks through how to create your own knowledge base. And then the last step is integrations. We also will have an additional video walking through how to connect each of these integrations. So I'm going to skip this step for now. We have successfully created the assistant. So I'm going to return to the assistant list. And then I'm going to show you how to test this assistant. We're going to go to Testing Playground on the sidebar and select our assistant. In the Testing Playground, I can interact with my assistant as if I am a customer. Here I've sent in a initial question and then my assistant has replied. Now, this is where I can test if the assistant is responding in the way that I'd like. If not, I can edit the natural language instructions or the knowledge base to continue testing and make sure that my assistant is responding correctly. Thank you for joining me in this video to walk through how to create an assistant in Saski AI. Join me in the next video to learn more about the features we offer.